welcome to another edition of Cooking with Puddin'. Here in 2020, I'm totally styling in my chef outfit. As you can know, we're cooking these mangroves, complete mangrove in the fryer. I'm gonna wok fry them. We got this recipe from Captain Pete, who we fished with the other day, actually today. And we fished with him many times on the channel. You've seen him. And he told me to fry them whole. And we're gonna do it in a wok. I also have a fryer, but we're gonna mix it up, kind of like this is like a Thailand style, I guess you'd say. So Darcy cleaned them up, you saw that. Now I am going to give them a little cross cut. Watch this. Just cut them like this, not down to the bone, not all the way down to the bone. So you gotta be a little careful. And we're just gonna go both ways like this. I guess this is gonna add a little more flavor in there. These aren't the biggest fish. And I see that? Nice cross hatch on there. So now I'm gonna coat these fish. Next step. I've created a flour-based coating with just using, of course, flour. And girls keep flour in these containers, I'm not sure why. I also added salt and white pepper. Oh, white pepper. And little cayenne pepper, all right? I just did that to taste, and it's a little spicy for you, Darcizzle, I'm sorry. But okay. I think once you fry it, it's gonna be fine. So we're gonna coat the fish. We're gonna coat the fish both sides, nice. We're just gonna throw it in the fryer here.
You don't want to throw it.
And here we go. How long? I'm not really sure. We're gonna wait till it's golden brown. I mean, it's a very small fish. All right, guys. Let's be honest. It's our first time doing this. After a little bit of trial and error, cooking our first fish, and I also burned my lip for you. See, I do the mistakes so you guys don't have to. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you. We're gonna cook these fish for about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on the size. I just did that small one for about 3 or 4 minutes, and it came out great. So now let's do the big one. Slide it in slow. Darcy said, don't throw it. 5 minutes. That's about 5 minutes. Let's see how it comes out. Ooh, look at that, guys. You can see the hatches. Look. All right, Darcizzle, how's it look?
Looks freaking delicious. I think you did a good job. Did a good job.
So?
Always trying something new over here.
Whoa.
Whoa, how's it exploding?
Every time I have it, you probably shook it up and gave it to me.
No.
You remember what happened to the Christmas video?
I did not. Let's see if this one explodes. Oh, maybe I shouldn't do that.
It's fine.
Really good. I think it's quite juicy. He put butter on it to make it more juicy, I guess, but it's like,
I like butter.
It's really succulent and like it doesn't need anything. It's like, it's really good.
Oh,
you
yeah.
get a lot more flavors. It's more flavorful. Is that how you say it? In your mouth. And the actual skin is crunchy. It tastes good.